If the effort to amend the Constitution covers more than one topic, then that is already a revision. Okay. People's initiative cannot be used for a revision because that would be too complicated to be discussed by the people amongst themselves, di ba? Kasi revision na po to eh. There will be more than one topic, and then of course plus the combination of the different positions per topic. This is a too complex a matter for a people's initiative. So people's initiative will be limited to an amendment of the Constitution but not a revision of the Constitution. So from what I have been hearing, they are proposing a revision of the Constitution because it involves more than one amendment. So it's that simple. So if it's a revision, therefore we can use Congress as a constituent assembly, or we can ask Congress to call for a constitutional convention, because these are the two mechanisms for revision, kasi extensive discussions would be necessary for the revision of the Constitution.